All right, let's talk about something really interesting that's happening right now. We're going to dive into a new community that's being built to connect two worlds that honestly don't always speak the same language: compliance and engineering. It's called the GRC Engineering Club, and we're going to break down what it is, why it even exists, and who it's for.
And that's a fair question, right? I mean, governance, risk, and compliance, GRC, that sounds pretty official, pretty established. But the moment you tack engineering onto the end, you suddenly find this huge gap, a space between roles that's left a lot of really smart people feeling kind of professionally stranded.
And this really gets to the heart of it. This is from the founder, AJ Yon. He basically realized he was stuck in this weird gray area. You know, he had this unique mix of skills, and he knew others did too, but there was no clear career path, no community to lean on, and definitely no playbook to follow. So that frustration, that's where the idea came from. The club was really born out of this urgent need to finally put a name to a field that already existed in practice, but just didn't have a home. Okay, so here's the problem in a nutshell. On one side, you've got your compliance teams. They totally get audit and risk, but ask them about code? Not so much. On the other side, you've got engineers who live and breathe the cloud, but SOC 2 might as well be a foreign language. The result? A massive communication gap that leads to friction, wasted time, and compliance that feels bolted on instead of built in. So you might be asking, is this for me? Well, this community was really designed for a few specific types of people who are standing right on the edge of that gap, ready to build a bridge. First up, maybe you're in compliance, and you feel like you've just hit a wall. You're tired of just checking boxes on a list. You want to actually build real, automated solutions. You want to learn to speak the language of engineers, so you can have a way bigger impact. Or hey, maybe you're on the other side of that coin. You're a security engineer or a cloud engineer, and you're looking for something more. You've got these deep technical skills, and you want to use them to shape strategy, to build systems that are secure and compliant from the ground up, not just as an afterthought. And then there's this third group, the career changers. Maybe you come from a world like law or audit. This is your on-ramp into the tech world. It lets you take all that amazing domain knowledge you have and apply it to build a really valuable, in-demand technical career. Okay, so if you see yourself in any of those descriptions, let's talk about what you actually get. Because this is way more than just a chat room. It's a full-blown toolkit for your career. First, and this is huge, you get a community, a Discord with over 2,000 people who are all in this space with you. Think about that. When you run into a really tricky problem, you have thousands of people you can ask for help, people who've probably been there and solved it already. And this isn't just theory. We're talking hands-on labs where you build real stuff. You're actually writing Python to audit S3 buckets or building secure Terraform modules. This is the kind of practical experience you can put directly on your resume and talk about in your next interview. You know how confusing certifications can be? Well, the club totally demystifies that whole maze. It gives you these super clear, step-by-step study paths, complete with guides and study groups, so you're not just trying to figure it all out on your own. And the learning never really stops. Every single week, new video content drops. One week, it might be a deep dive on a framework like FedRAMP. The next, it could be career advice on how to negotiate your salary for one of these specific roles. It's always fresh and relevant. Now, for those of you who want a more guided, structured path, there is the Academy. This is a paid curriculum that takes you all the way from the basics to building a specialized project for your portfolio. But let's be real. All of this, the community, the labs, the learning, it's all geared towards one thing: building a killer career. And believe me, the opportunity in this space is absolutely massive. I mean, just look at these numbers. This is not some niche, low-paying field. Because this combination of skills is so rare and so valuable, GRC engineers are seeing incredible salary growth. We're talking senior specialists who can command well over $300,000. That's life-changing. So why is the pay so high? It's simple: supply and demand. Companies are desperate for people with this exact skill set. They need someone who can audit the cloud, automate checks, and most importantly, someone who can act as a translator between the compliance and engineering worlds. So if any of this is sparking your interest, getting started is super easy. The club has made a really simple, straightforward on-ramp for anyone who's curious. It all starts by just joining the free Discord. No commitment, just hop in, see if the vibe is right for you. From there, you can check out the free foundational videos, and if you want more structure, you can explore the Academy. Then it's all about picking an area you're passionate about and just diving in. And that's really what this is all about at the end of the day. It's this idea that compliance doesn't have to be a slow, painful process. It can be engineered, it can be automated. This is about building the community of people who are going to make that a reality. It's an invitation to stop feeling stuck between two fields and start building the future of one.